Hey guys, I'm Joey. Welcome back to Over the Table's Random Reviews. If you're not subscribed to the channel, make sure you take a second and click that subscribe button down below, because I got a ton. I got a ton. You got a ton, I got a ton. I got a ton more videos coming out to you guys. You really don't want to miss out. Plenty more stuff to review. And I'm doing a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. You really don't want to miss out on that. Now, in light of today's holiday, Valentine's Day, we're going to go ahead and review a little Valentine's Day type of product, a little keychain, LED type of flower deal that actually seems really cool, and it's a really cheap price tag. It's like $1 or something like that on eBay. I'll put that link in the description if you guys want to get your own. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and check it out. Alright guys, so here's our package. It comes in pretty standard eBay packaging, the bubble wrap type stuff. We're going to go ahead and use this 12-in-1 multi-tool thing that I reviewed in another video to open this thing up. And let's check out our product. Alright, so it comes in a box here, as you can see, which is great for a little extra protection. And let's see what we get. Alright, so you can instantly see what we get. This is a flower that's trapped in like a crystal type glass, and it's on a keychain, of course, and you could see it's like holographic. It's kind of like sitting in the middle of the glass, which is really cool. So it's three-dimensional. I think these things are really high class. They really look nice, and everything just looks great on them. And oh, whoa. So oh man, so when you twist this top here, it turns on the LEDs, and it's multicolor LED. That is really fancy. I want to check this thing out in the dark. Alright, so it's not as dark as it, could be, but this should give you a really good idea of how fancy this thing is. You throw this thing on a keychain, it's kind of a heart shape. It's not like a perfect heart shape because it doesn't go down as much as you'd expect it to in the middle, but it's close enough to a heart shape, and the flower is a really nice thing. You can see it's got the little designs over on the edges to make it kind of look like a diamond. It's just really nice looking, and it's so easy to use. You just twist it to turn on the LEDs. It's really quite nice for the price tag. That's insane for $1 you get, and it's got a really heavy duty keychain. That's insane. It seems like it's really high quality, which is not what you'd expect for something at this price tag. Now again, if you do want to get one for yourself, it is on eBay for just about $1. You'd expect something like this to be around $10 in a store, but it is just $1, maybe a little over $1, but really cheap, especially for the quality that you're getting. And as you can see, the flower on the inside is really reflecting the light. That's because the particles in there are reflecting the light, and they're not as transparent as the rest of the crystal, which makes that flower really stand out when the LED is on. That is so nice, guys. So high class. Really beautiful for a keychain. I definitely recommend it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that quick little review of this multicolor LED flower keychain. Now if you liked the video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to the channel, click right here to subscribe for all the future videos and the giveaway at 1,000 subscribers. If you didn't check out the last video, it'll be right up there. And if you want to see lots more budget-friendly product reviews, the playlist is right up there. And as always guys, have a great day and don't get shy.